We actually encourage the use of AI in applications for our placement, training contracts and our solicitor apprenticeship as well. And we have some guidance on our website about the boundaries that you can work within in terms of how you go about using AI. So you could use it for research, you could use it for organising your deadlines for multiple applications, you could use it for helping to draw out information about yourself so that you know what strengths and values you want to sell to the law firms that you're applying to. But of course, what we don't encourage is the standard copy and paste out of the AI that you're using.
I think when approaching AI in applications, it's important to remember that AI is a growing thing. And I think at some point it felt like it was a buzzword and something that's relatively new, but now it's expanding and it's changing and it's still quite a work in progress. So I think talking about how AI can impact a firm, how it can improve efficiency within a firm, and also from the client's perspective, you know, what are clients looking for? Do they want more efficiency within their own businesses as well? How can AI help them from a legal perspective, but also within their business? So I think just looking at it from both angles, the law firm's perspective, but also the clients.
We have some specific guidance for candidates who are going through the Stephenson Harwood application process. We recognise that AI can be a really helpful tool. It might be where students begin their research. It might help them with formatting their answers. It might help with spelling, grammar, that sort of jumping off point for research. I think it can be helpful there. What I really strongly advise students to avoid is the sort of wholesale copy and paste from ChatGPT or a similar platform directly into the answers in a training contract application. What that results in from the recruitment perspective is thousands of applications that are almost identical to each other. It doesn't tell us anything about who those candidates are. We want to see applications that are really rich in personal examples and motivation towards us. And I just don't think that AI is able to provide that kind of authentic answer. So I think it's a reasonable tool, but it's not going to replace somebody genuinely telling us why they want to work with us.
I think using AI for students is important, and it is a big thing, of course, in the current market at the moment. But I think they should be using it to refine things, not to write their whole applications. And I think it's important that students are very mindful about that when they are doing their applications.
First of all, you need to really know yourself. Then you can start researching the law firms. This is a fantastic place where you can actually start to use generative AI to help organise the law firms that you're applying to, the deadlines of the application forms, but of course to organise and help you with your research as well. You've obviously got to be really careful that the AI you're using isn't hallucinating and that it's delivering up-to-date recent advice about these firms for you so that your research is up to date. So don't forget to just double check it and make sure it's accurate.